Hello viewer, welcome to PK Learning. Viewer, in this video we will discuss the important botany MCQs for any university, entrance exam or any other botany exam. Let's start it. And first question is, which RNA is short-lived? Ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, messenger RNA or none of these? And answer is C, messenger RNA. Which RNA is short-lived? Messenger RNA. C is correct option. And next question is, agar-agar is derived from algae, fungi, Diopterus or gymnosperm, and answer is A, algae. Agar-agar is derived from algae, A is correct option. And next question is, Sarcina is made up of how many cocci? 4, 8, 6 or 2, and answer is B, 8. Sarcina is made up of 8 cocci, B is correct option. And next question is, in onion, the edible swollen portion is aerial stem, underground stem, internodes or leaf bases, and answer is D, leaf bases. In onion, the edible swollen portion is leaf bases, D is correct option. And next question is, which of the following is actually not a flower? Sunflower, rose, pea or none of these? And answer is A, sunflower. Which of the following is actually not a flower is sunflower, A is correct option. And next question is, which of the following is smallest flower? Lemna, Wolfia, orchids or Iberis? And answer is B, Wolfia. Wolfia has the smallest flower, B is correct option. And next question is, rice belongs to family Fabaceae, Solanaceae, Poaceae or Liliaceae? And answer is C, Poaceae. Rice belongs to family Poaceae, C is correct option. And next question is, ecosystem is also known as club moss, horsetail, water fern or walking fern, and answer is B, horsetail. Ecosystem is also known as horsetail, B is correct option. And next question is, catkin inflorescence is found in mulberry, fig, wheat or reddish, and answer is A, mulberry. Catkin inflorescence is found in mulberry, A is correct option. And next question is, Fallacy thalamus is edible in tomato, apple, mango or orange, and answer is B, apple. Fallacy thalamus is edible in apple, B is correct option. And next question is, stalk of oviole is called pedicel, peduncle, funicle or petiole, and answer is C, funicle. Stalk of oviole is called funicle, C is correct option. And next question is, in Brassica placentation is axial, basal, parietal or marginal, and answer is C, parietal. In Brassica placentation is parietal, C is correct option. And next question is, root cape regenerates from clyptrogen, plerome, peribellum or dermatogen, and answer is A, clyptrogen. Root cape regenerates from clyptrogen, A is correct option. And next question is, porous food contains vessels, tracheids, fibers only or sieve tubes, and answer is A, vessel. Porous food contains vessel, A is correct option. And next question is, wheat grains are devernalized at 25 degree, 35 degree, 40 degree or 5 degree centigrade, and answer is B, 35 degree centigrade. Wheat grains are devernalized at 35 degree centigrade, B is correct option. And next question is, a lake with nutrients is called trophic, eutrophic, oligotrophic or none of these, and answer is B, eutrophic. A lake with nutrients is called eutrophic. B is correct option. And next question is, cystolith is the deposition of silica, calcium oxalate, calcium carbonate or tannin. And answer is C, calcium carbonate. Cystolith is the deposition of calcium carbonate. C is correct option. And next question is, histone proteins are synthesized in G1 phase, G2 phase, M phase or S phase. And answer is D, S phase. Histone proteins are synthesized in S phase. D is correct option. And next question is, hybrid of rye and wheat is triticale, rosy, pometro or none of these. And answer is A, triticale. Hybrid of rye and wheat is triticale. A is correct option. And next question is, the most widely used chemical for protoplasm fusion is fusogens, mannitol, sorbitol, manol or polyethylene glycol. And answer is D, polyethylene glycol. The most widely used chemical for protoplasm fusion is fusogens, polyethylene glycol. D is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.